The Google Pixel Fold is expected to be unveiling on May 10 during the Google I/O event, and leaks and rumors has been popping up from quite some time now. We already know much about the Pixel foldable device up till now, but the marketing images of the Pixel Fold has been leaked today by leakster Even Blast, who has a great track record. Well, these images are one of the best one, and they are in 4K resolution. They are giving us a pretty much good idea what the design of the Pixel Fold could be looking like. One of the important thing that you will notice right after looking these marketing images that the internal display will be having a bigger bezels on top and bottom, which is not going to be great, because if you're charging $1,700 or $1,900 price tag for that particular device, then definitely we expect that the bezels are going to be slimmer, but this is not going to be the case. Another thing you will notice in that marketing images that there is going to be a small gap between each side of the phone. Well, anyhow, the internal display will be coming with a 7.6 inch of a screen with 120 Hz of refresh rate. Well, moving towards the outer side, we have the outer display of 5.6 inches, which also support 120 Hz refresh rate with full HD plus resolution, and it's also an AMOLED display. We don't know about the Gorilla Glass protection yet, but we hope that it could be around Gorilla Glass Victus or at least Gorilla Glass 6 protection. The camera array on the back is going to be different from the Pixel 7 series, and we also have the triple camera setup here. It will include a 48 megapixel of a main sensor, 10.8 megapixel of ultra wide angle camera, a 10.8 megapixel of telephoto camera system, whereas we are also going to be LED flashlight and dotted structure which look like a speaker grill. Anyhow, the internal display will have an 8 megapixel of a camera sensor, whereas the outer display is also coming with the same 8 megapixel camera sensor. One of the things which most people will be concerning of is whether the new hinge design that is coming for the Pixel foldable devices might actually going to reduce the crease or not, or what is going to be the durability of the internal display for long-term usage will be the question mark for the Google Pixel Fold. Anyhow, moving forward towards the internal side, here we have Google Tensor G2 chipset, which is similar to the Pixel 7 series devices chipset, and it's going to be packing inside the Pixel foldable devices. How it's going to be perform and how it's going to manage the heat, we have to wait and see up till its official announcement. Anyhow, we are also going to be seeing a 12 GB of RAM and 256 or 512 GB of internal storage option for the Pixel foldable device. Now for the battery, it will be coming with 4500 mAh battery capacity, and it will be powering the device up till 24 hours as Google has claimed it. And there are also some software features that are also coming for the Pixel foldable devices, which include an extreme battery saver setting which shut down all the apps on the phone except those that the user whitelists. This setting will deliver up to 72 hours of the battery life, although the functionality of the phone is very limited. The Pixel Fold is expected to be unveiling on May 10th during the Google I/O and could start shipping on June 27th. According to front page tag, Google will be providing you a Google Pixel Watch free with the Pixel Fold. The 256 GB variant will cost you around $1,800 and $1,900 for 512 GB, which is going to be insane considering that the Pixel Fold is coming with a bigger bezels and the same old processor inside. With less than 2 weeks remaining until the Pixel Fold become official, we could see more leaks related to this phone. If you are interested in that, consider subscribing my channel. Thanks for watching. Peace.